How to add clickable link to TikTok bio. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. To check that, you can navigate to the Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app TikTok. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, you're gonna get this option, edit profile. Click on it. With this, you're gonna get this option of links. Click on the option of add. Now you can either select Instagram or YouTube. I'm going to add the Instagram link. Just click on the option of add. Now provide your Instagram account's credential and login. Once you do that, it will be attached to your TikTok account. Likewise, you can do the same for YouTube as well. So this way you can easily add clickable link to TikTok bio. Now whenever someone visits your TikTok profile, that person will be able to access the Instagram or YouTube. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.